Hey, what's up people, hope you all are having a great day. Today in this video we will be discussing the benefits, limitation and my personal experiences with the ChatGPT, a chatbot tool. So let's get started. One of the main benefits of ChatGPT is it's incredibly easy to use. All you need is a Gmail account to log in and verify yourself as a real user using your phone number. ChatGPT is free to use and it is consistently being updated and improved by the developers. If you are a content creator and you are struggling with writing a script, ChatGPT can be a lifesaver. For example, I asked ChatGPT to write a script about GeForce Now and I described the key features and expressed my experiences with the platform. I mentioned that the GeForce Now has many games included in the list and the latency was good and etc. Not only did ChatGPT write the script, but it also divided it into sections such as an introduction section, a section for latency and etc. in a clear and organized manner. If I missed any points, I simply asked ChatGPT to add them and it seamlessly incorporated them into the correct sections, even if I didn't specify which section they should go in. If you are not satisfied with the script that ChatGPT generates for you, or you need a different tone or level of formality, you can use the regenerate response button for the different version of the script each time you press it. This can be especially helpful if you are trying to achieve a specific style tone in your content. You can use ChatGPT for a variety of purposes, such as getting help with homework, working on projects, or simply having conversation with a friend. If you are feeling lonely or just need someone to talk, ChatGPT can be a great companion. It's always there to listen to your problems and offer supportive and motive when you need it. For example, I asked ChatGPT to solve some math problems from 10th grade NCERT textbook, and not only did it provide the correct answers, but it also explained how the problems were solved and what formulas were used. I have also used ChatGPT to get help with English letter writing. On screen, you can see how the ChatGPT expressed the letter in such a clear and concise manner. Well, coming to the limitations, as a machine learning tool, ChatGPT is still learning and there may be some mistakes in its responses. However, the developers are working hard to improve its accuracy and functionality. Another limitation to keep in mind is that all conversations with ChatGPT are monitored by AI to prevent harmful and inappropriate content. This is a necessary measure to ensure a safe and positive experience for all users. Well, coming to my conclusion, overall my experience with ChatGPT has been very positive. It's been a great companion and has helped me with variety of tasks and projects. I highly recommend giving it a try if you are in need of helpful and supportive chatbot. Hope you have learned something new today. Don't forget to like or dislike the video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section so YouTube can recommend my video to the other people. And peace.